Okay, hi guys. I'm just going to look at Google Sites today and explore all its various functions. So what you'll need to do is go to your Google Drive and click on New, and then just scroll down to Sites, Google Sites. And so we'll click on that. Okay, so this is my new Google site, and I'm just going to explore this with you. So the first thing I'll do is I'll start with the top left-hand corner. I'm going to title it, and I'm just going to call it Campaign Test. Make sure it's one. Okay, so that's the name of my site, and whoops, that's written up here. Now, as I scroll down, I'm just going to go from left to right. It says add logo. So this is where you can also add your logo. You can click on it and then upload a logo. I just happened to find one before lesson. So here we go. I'll just pop that one in. Okay, so there's my logo. Notice that when I do that, it also says here, select a color to use for theme. So it actually is encouraging me to use similar colors in my website. So I'm going to select this color. And so now it's given me a matching color too. Okay, you'll notice, okay, and if I don't like the look of that, I can actually scroll down on the right and change it. So I can change the theme of it as well. I'm just going to keep it to simple because I'm going to change this background anyway. It's pretty ugly. So as I'm sort of scrolling around this page, this, by the way, is my banner or my hero. I've got a text box. I can change that to campaign. I'm just going to call it campaign. And I am going to, yep, I'm happy with that. Change the font to this one, which I like. Comforter, bold. I can make it bigger. Actually, I should change that to title. I can make it bold. Okay, I can center align it, left align it. I think I'll center align it. Okay, so that's my heading. I can also change the image, which is really important because this is my my hero or banner. And I'm just going to scroll down and not that one. That's the photo I took earlier on. No, just looking for some interesting images. I did have a good image. Now I've lost it. Here we go. This is one I was using in visual art. So I'll use the apples. Okay, so it's changed my header or my, sorry, not my header, my hero or my banner. It went dull as I put it on. That's because I can remove readability adjustment and make it bold again. Notice how that looks better. This is hard to read. So what it does is it instantly makes your hero or banner duller so that you can read the heading. Now, I can go to header type and I can make it a large banner. I can also make it cover the whole page. I think I like large banner. Okay, so that's there. That's all of that. Now I'm going to go over here to the right, and I'm going to go to insert. Now I can insert all sorts of things, but the first thing you should probably insert is your layout of the content. So I can add more I can sort of start adding sort of this scroll down feature. Okay, and I could start adding things. So I could upload images here if I want to. Right, and I could also change the background and make it so it lets me choose orange because that was the color of my logo. Okay. I think I'll just keep it at orange. I can also add things. You know, I can add text and subtext as well. Okay, if you want. I can also add videos. So I can go to YouTube and I could add a video. Now I just happen to find this video here. So if you want to put a video, just go to YouTube and click share and copy the URL and then go back to your site and then paste that in, find it, and then select. And now you've got a video in there as well. And of course it's a square, so I would probably have to extend it to make it longer. Okay. Let's see. I could also insert, I'll just insert another image. I can insert an image by URL as well. Okay, this is bringing up your stuff. I could go to Google search and put in Apple and then, find an image that way. Okay, so you can do that as well. Just enlarge that. Okay, so I've done that. I can also put in an image carousel. Now, an image carousel is a bit like this. So if we have a look at this, sometimes our hero or our banner is a carousel and you can scroll through, which is quite, very nifty, right? So you can have lots of images. So you can also do that on your website. Oops, I'm on the wrong thing. Okay, so I can add an image carousel. Say if I was to put a big image, I'm going to get rid of this. I don't want it, so I just delete it. And I can then click on this and add image carousel. And so it says insert images. So then I can just upload my images that I want on the carousel. Okay, then it instantly gives me another plus button. I can upload another image. Okay, and another one, and then that's going to be on my carousel. So you can do that as well. There we go, I'll put that in. And then insert. And then that is my carousel. Shall we have a look at that? Yes. Oh, it didn't go there. Let's delete this one. Don't want that. Okay, so let's preview this. The preview button to see what your website looks like in reality is up here. If I scroll over that, it says preview, and then I can look at my website. So it's pretty ugly at the moment, but I'm just testing it. And then there you go. There's my carousel. I probably should have had a much bigger box for the carousel. Down here, you can see what your website would look like on an iPhone. Okay. That's what it would look like on an iPhone, what it looks like on a tablet, and of course, what it looks like on a computer monitor. When you want to get out of the preview, you just X out. Okay. Right. So these are the sort of things that you can explore, that you can insert. Now let's go to the next one, pages. So far I've got a home page, and this is the home page, but I want more pages. I want, for instance, a products page. So I just click the plus button and I could put in products, done. And I can put in, say, about us page, done. So you can see my pages are here, but they're also in my navigation up the top. Okay. Now I can also put in sub pages. So sometimes when you go to products, you might want, say if it was for shoes, you might want women's shoes. So you add a sub page. and you might put in women. Okay. And then another subpage for products would be men. Now let's scroll over products. There you go. I've got products, women and men. So if I click on women, there's nothing there yet, but I can change all that. I can now go and change the image and put something more relevant on that has to do with women or women's shoes. Okay, I'm going to put that in because that's a GIF. Just want to show you, you can actually put GIFs in as well. It's a very tacky image, but I'm just showing you what you can do. Now I'm going to go back to the home page. Okay, and finally, I want to show you themes. So because, you know, there are different sort of themes. There aren't an awful lot. This is Google Sites, don't forget. But so it doesn't do an awful lot, but it's not too bad considering. Okay, so these are the different themes that you can have. Okay, and of course, when you click on a theme, you can actually change the colors as well. So, you know, you can go back to that or you can have a black. Okay, so you can see that, oh, that looked kind of cute. So that seems to work. So as you can see, this is a very, very simple tool to use for your first experimental exploration website. It's quite a bit of fun. Yeah, but just make sure, yeah, that this is just a test for now, but tomorrow I want you to really be thinking about design, because at the moment the colors in this are just terrible because I haven't given any consideration to the design aspects like the simplicity, the contrast, repetition, you know, color schemes and all that. Yeah, so I'm just going up here. You can also share your work. So there's a little plus button here. If you want to work with someone else, I know some of you work in pairs really well and you really enjoy doing that. You can put their name and you can share it with them and make sure you make them an editor if you're doing it together, and then you can send them a link. Okay. Yeah, we'll just preview it once more. Okay, and then, yeah, just wanted to show you, yep, the YouTube works. Okay, so that's pretty much everything I wanted to talk about this afternoon. And yeah, any questions, let me know. Thank you.